Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating protection and control of low voltage motors. So in this project we are providing the demonstration on DC motor, and from this board we are going to monitoring the voltage and current and temperature, along with is there any ground fault detected by using this switch. So this is the input device to the PIC microcontroller, and here we are using PIC microcontroller, and this is the main motherboard. It consists of reset button and a crystal oscillator, power LED indication and program LED indication, and a capacitor. And from this board we connected a output modules like LCD as well as transistor board and Bluetooth module. So from this sensing board, is there any abnormality detected, or high temperature, high voltage, low voltage, high current or ground fault detected, then automatically PIC microcontroller will protect the DC motor by isolating its power supply to that by using the transistor, and the status will be displayed on the LCD, continuously monitored, and it will send the data through the Bluetooth to the phone. So before switching on this kit, we need to do some initial steps, like we need to install the Bluetherm app so from Play Store, and then switch on the power supply to the kit as I connected the adapter, and then it will display the welcome message on the screen, and after that the data will be displayed on the screen. And now before opening this app, connect to the Bluetooth module through the settings. So from the settings, just pair to this module. If it is asked SC05 is name, if it is asked for password, then enter 1234 password, and after that only open this app. And now go to options and connect it to SC05. After connection successfully done, so we will get the data continuously, voltage, current and temperature. So now coming to the abnormality increasing, just I am increasing the so you can see that just a variable so variable. So now I am decreasing the voltage using pot. I am decreasing the voltage. So whenever voltage is below 8 volts, so motor off, and on the screen you will get the alert low voltage. And when after setting the high voltage, and now the motor will be on and there is no alert message. Same thing, high voltages, I am increasing the voltage, right? So high voltage, motor off, and you will get the alert message on the phone. After voltage settle down, automatically motor will be on and off. And coming to the current, high current, motor off, high current, and normal on. And coming to the ground fault, so we are using the switch, we are going to make the ground fault. So whenever the ground fault is occurred, ground faults, and it will display on the phone as usual, and motor will be off. And normal, motor on, and ground fault is cleared. And coming to the temperature, just I am increasing the temperature. So you can see the temperature is increased. After 50 degrees over, then automatically the motor will be off, and when the temperature is settled down below 50 degrees, so then automatically the motor will be on, and the same status will be monitoring on the mobile phone through Bluetooth. Okay, thank you for watching demo.